Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Airtable. Airtable is an exceptional productivity tool that offers a unique blend of database functionality and spreadsheet-like flexibilities. It has gained significant popularity among individuals and teams across various industries thanks to its intuitive interface and powerful features. And one of the standout features of Airtable is its versatility. It allows users to create custom databases that can be tailored to meet specific needs, whether it's managing products, tracking inventory, organizing customer data, or even planning events. The ability of structured data is different field types such as text, numbers, sales, attachment, and links enable users to create dynamic and interconnected database. So let's sign up for free. So your company name or your company email. I don't think I can log in with a normal Google account. Yes, I can. What team are you on? Marketing, HR and legal? We have product and design, creative productions, engineering, customer service, operations, finance, IT and support, manufacturing, sales and account management or other personal. So it's personal. Get more to know your team. Uh, Sorry about that, but I have to add someone. Okay, why? Why? Why this website? Why Microsoft Edge is doing this? So skip and continue. So this is my first workplace. You can add workplaces, teams, and we have Airtable user interface is clean. Like you see here, it's modern and easy to navigate. It strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. We have the drag and drop functionality for reorganizing records and fields, as well as if inline editing make data management a breeze. So, and about the teams, collaboration is another area where Airtable excels. Multiple users can collaborate in real time on shared base, enabling seamless teamwork and efficient project management. Users can comment or record, assign tasks, and even mention team members, ensure everyone stays on the same page. So here we have the workplace chart templates for the workplace. I think you can change everything. So let's see all templates. So yeah, here content calendar, productivity. Let's say the calendar. So you see the template and you think if you like it or not, and then you add it. So those are some products, app, resource, and everything you will need to begin. So you can quickly upload, you can start from scratch, start with templates, project tracker, products, explore more templates, and this is the page. You can also create another workspace. So here you can click on the workspace to see the collaborators. You can share it. Here we have the universe. Oh, it's actually the universe. And we have here explore, discover, and share your passion. So here where people shared their patience and discussed discussions. Experience of Airtable with 14 days trial pro. No thanks. So where can I go back? Home. This is home. So this is the profile. Here we have the account. Delete your account from here. You have 0 credits. Get 10 credits for every person you invite. Gets 2 credits for installing the mobile app. Okay, good. Here we have referrals and credits. Credits awarded for invite. Okay, if they join, I get credit. Good, good. Now, this is the account. Let's go. Go back. Oh, I can't go back because this is the first page. We have here notification preferences, email, and others. Sorry. Well, one of them. So here we have contact sales, upgrade. Let's see the plans. We have the free. We are choosing the free for now. The plus, the pro, the enterprise, and each one of with its benefits and the difference between them. So here we have every bases are unlimited in everything. Maximum number of users. For the free, just 5. For the others are unlimited, and it goes on. So this is it for the plans. Let's go back. Here we have integrations. Create new account. Adobe, we have Box, Clearbit, Facebook pages, Gmail, Drive, Google Calendar, and many other apps that you can integrate and attach your accounts. So in conclusion, Airtable is a game changer when it comes to managing and organizing data. It is combination of database and spreadsheet functionality coupled with its user-friendly interface and collaborative features makes it an excellent choice for individuals, teams, and businesses looking to streamline their workflow and enhance productivity. Whether you are a project manager, marketer, freelancer, or entrepreneur, Airtable is definitely worth considering for your data management. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope this video has helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.